Hi all, it's the Chalice here. Hope everyone is doing really good today. And just wanted to say, how are you doing? I did actually, there we go. I just did actually play a day offline, and we got John to agree to move into our place, but we haven't gotten the deed or anything yet. I did make a trip, as you can see, and got some palm wood. I also picked up some mangrove sticks because they were right next door to it. We did a little bit more mining, not a lot, just a little. I moved everything out of the tent, out of Fletch's tent, and put it all in here. So here's all our food. This just kind of has odds and ends things. I got some seeds in here. And this is where I put what I like to call my green stuff. Because I'm not quite sure what else you would call it. But it's my green stuff. And I built the bulletin board and paid it off. And your bulletin board will have really good jobs. I always forget it's Fletch's birthday on the 1st of summer. But it's not like we can give her a gift anyway. So it just says our town has a bulletin board. Yay! So now first things first, let's go talk to Fletch. Hello, Socialis. What can I do for you? Now let's talk about the town. Let's see. What exactly can I help you with? Now you can move a building, but right now we want to see the deeds. Here's our current deeds, and we have a deed for John for his shop. And we can see here we're going to need gumwood, palmwood, tin sheets, and nails. Okay, so we're going to apply for the shop deed. Just so you know, this will put the town in 75,000 dinks in debt. Oh, don't worry, we'll pay it off in no time. Yeah, sure. There's a donation box here in the base tent. So are we going to apply for the shop deed? Let's do it. Great, we're all set. I'll give you the deed so you can decide where to place it. Once it's placed, check the deposit box on the build site. We won't be able to start construction until we have all the required materials. So the quicker we have everything we need, the quicker we can start the construction. Yay! Let's 75,000 in debt. Donate. We're going to donate 10,000 dinks right now. And where do we want to put John? You know what? I think for now, we can put John right back in here. First, let's get some more stone. Aha. We'll just clear some of this out really quick. And we can stick them right up back here. That should be good enough. Someone's in the way. Oh, I bet that someone is me. There. How about we stick them right here? Yes. Now let's go get those materials. Oh, we've got some more points. Rock on. Smashing rocks. Hard work, but someone's got to do it. Are the pearls reset yet? They are not. But there is one special license I do want to get, which will make things a lot easier. Hello there, Socialis. What can I do? I want to apply for a license. All right, then. I do want to get the vehicle license. Yep. And then I can make a rowboat. Yay! We still got quite a bit left. So, let's see. What do we want to do? We could do this and get hardwood. Let's do that. Got a copper axe. Okay. Now we're gonna go and visit John. We'll talk to him. Wanted to chat. Do you need anything? Small round table you don't want anymore. Do you want to buy it? Sure, I'll buy a table. All right. And I want to get another axe because we're almost done with that. $1,000. Yep. Thanks. We're going to get another pickaxe because that one's almost broken. Yep, we'll take it. Yeah. How are we doing on shovel? We may want an extra shovel. Just because. Everything else is looking fine. Put the table here. Then if we get a light, we can put it on the table and maybe Fletch won't complain all the time how dark it is. Now, I'm taking half these piles, and all I'm doing to do that is right-clicking them. Because you'll see down here it says split stack and shift to quick move. And we are going to need this and this. Yeah, take all these. And I'm going to need... This is how you make those tin sheets. In case you wanted to know. Let's go see if we have all the materials. We can get John's building going. And then we'll see about making a boat. Boats are a nice way to get around the island pretty good. It's also a way to get a lot of... all the required materials have been deposited. Construction can begin. It's also a great way to fish. That's what I was trying to say. You can get out places like a little further and a little deeper. Let's go see what we need. Pardon me. A friend of mine who streams kept me up way too late. So I'm going to need more gumwood planks, but other than that, we've got everything we need to make a boat. So let's go grab the rest of those gumwood planks. Woohoo! A streamer friend of mine kept me up too late. Her stream was just way too good. And I just had to just keep watching it. Yay, we have a boat. Let's plop it in right here. Oh, no, we're going to turn it sideways. There we go. We have a boat. And there's nothing on the bulletin board. We got all our stuff from John. And let's go see if Fletch wants anything, because we haven't really started trying to build our relationship up with her. Let's chat. Falling Tides has a lot of different ecosystems for such a small area. If I remember correctly, my old home was located on the northwest coast. Or maybe it was southeast. I'll tell you what, when I remember, I'll let you know. What can I do for you? Let's chat. Do you need anything? Catch a blue moon butterfly? Heck yeah, that's not a problem. They are all over the place. Go see if we can find one. Oh, look, there's one right there. Yay! I always jump way too late. All right, let's go give this to Fletch. And then we'll go see what we can do. Let's chat. This is for you. Yes, I did. Thank you very much. Tell you what, you're always helping me out. Here's a reward. Oh, I got a pink polka dotted shirt. Okay. And actually, well, we're going to keep hold of this. I was going to say I don't really want it because I'm not really a big pink person. But I just know that somebody's going to come along and be like, oh, do you have any clothing that I can... Oh, we'll put that over here for now. And they'll be like, do you have any clothing that I could use for their daily request? And then I'll be like, yes, I can do that. Here, pink polka dot shirt. Now we're just gonna drive. We're actually gonna head way up north, kind of like by where the dock was. And we are going to see if we can't find some coconuts. Because the coconuts are, we can plant those around and they give you some pretty decent money at beginning of game. Let's see this. Okay, so I'm gonna need to go out this way. Now, when I found all those pearls, it was just because I was wandering around. Look at all the sharks. And what I want to head to are actually all these little islands up here. So we are just gonna head on up that way and see if we can, what we can find. And we'll look for pearls on our way. But yeah, it's gonna be a minute. We got a ways to go yet. Look what I found. I probably won't be able to get it, but I will stop and mark it. Because otherwise that shark will eat me. But maybe the next time that we come here... No. But maybe the next time I come here, the shark won't be here. And I would be able to get it. It's beautiful. I absolutely love how pretty this game is. And now we're headed straight for it. And like I said, you can catch some more rare fish out here, but usually it's like at nighttime. Also, I'm really looking forward to John's being built. Because once John's is built, we can get our metal detector and start collecting some of that green stuff that somebody else is going to need. So that's going to be really, really good. Plus, you know, I like to start to move people in and get to know them, and it's just a lot of fun to get more different visitors too than just John all the time. Not that John's, you know, a bad person or anything. It's just, you know, sometimes it's nice to have variety. Just saying. So just kind of wondering, how is everybody doing out there? Does anybody have any plans for this winter? Oh, we found another pearl. Look at that. Yay! Now, later on, we will need the pearls. Ooh, I got that one just in time, didn't I? Before that shark came and got me. Okay, so I marked this island, but this island just has a little bit of greenery around it. It's not got any coconuts on it at all. So let's open up our map. Our what? Let's go check up here. Our map. We're opening our map. Wow. We want to go this way. All right. We are on a coconut hunt. Oh, and look at that dang shark sitting right there, too. He's just watching me. Go away. I want the pearl. Go away. Oh, now you'll go away. Yeah, I think I kind of attracted him over to me. But look at, we found coconuts. Yay! We can take them back to our little island spot. And we'll plant these. These are good money. Plus, I really kind of like how they look, especially on a beachy area. I mean, look at how pretty those are. They're nice and tall. Hey, we got our music back. And now we're going to head right over to this one here, because I can see more coconuts sitting over there. And some bananas. Look at that. Bananas are very, very good source of energy if you ever need them. Any of the fruit... Well, I can't say that because... not all fruit is good for energy. So your apples and that blue fruit, that's going to be good for health. So different fruits are going to be good for different things. Let's head up here and see if there's more coconuts on this island. Now, my little Seychelles here, she looks like she's a little bit tired. But I'm here to tell you, she's got full energy, and it is not late at night, so... I'm not quite sure what's going on with her there. We want to grab as many of these coconuts as we can, so... I have a boat. Oh. Did you guys see that? I fell right in the water. Not good. Okay, now where do we want to head to? Okay, we want to kind of come back down this way. star off that one. Almost makes me think there's a pearl around here the way the shark is guarding it. Because they always seem to be in my way. One thing about the sharks is they are scaredy cats. Let me go here. Because they'll come by the shore and they will like try to menace you by the shore. But the second you start hitting them with a weapon, they run away. Like I said, they are scaredy cats. Okay, we are gonna head back towards the land. I could realistically just spend like hours and hours hunting this stuff down, but I don't want to bore you guys like this. So let's head. We will head over here. It'll start getting us where we need to go. Oh, are you kidding me? And I wonder if I can do this real quick before he gets me. And I put my boat up on land. Because, you know, that's what we always want to do, right? Now that it's starting to get a little bit darker out, we're going to be able to start seeing the pearls a little bit better. But we don't want to spend too much time. If I happen to see one, I'll stop and mark it, and maybe I'll grab it, but for the most part, we're just going to try to make a beeline for the shore so that we're not spending all day, although the water is really pretty this time of night. Like I said, I think this game is really pretty. Oh, there's bananas there. Oh, look, there's a little bit more coconuts over here. Or we will stop and get those. And then I'll probably plant my orchard and do things like that off screen. Because, you know, I just don't think you guys will be that interested in watching me, you know. Am I to it now? Yeah, I just passed it. So let's get to the mainland. We'll highlight that and head right down there. No, when I told you I got those mangroves, that's what that looks like. I wish I could move my cursor, but I can't. But I can show you on the map. See all these little dark, like when it looks like it's got dark borders here? I'm running into sand. That's not going to work. Oh, yes, it will. That's your mangroves. And as you can tell, this island has a lot of it. I'm going to go around just a little bit. See if I can't get into a river and get a little bit closer to home. Evidently not. Okay. We'll just jump out here. We'll take our spear. There we go. Now we got a rowboat. And we're going to mark home. And make our way down there. these. These are the mangroves. This is where you get the mangrove sticks from. And you just use your axe on them. Like that. Come on. Oh, I can get up here. Nice. And there's some bananas up here. I suppose technically I could put the boat back in here, but I feel like I move so slow on the boat as opposed to running through the land. Damn bird. Are you seriously still chasing me? Ooh, we have some ore. We are gonna stop and grab ore on the way home if we can. This is just kind of the way I do things in Dinkum. You just kind of go and grab stuff as you need it. Eat to keep your energies up. Try not to die from all the animals chasing you. You know. Munchy, munchy. I really do want to get my mining up. Because I would like to get the better your pickaxe, the less energy you're going to waste. And we actually have where we can get mining, logging level 2. Oh, look at that. That'll be all we can get from there for right now. Let's keep heading home. Hopefully we won't have to swim. Or we can get our energy up a little bit. There we go. Look at that sky. I love looking at the skies in different games. Do I have room in my inventory? I do. Oh, Mr. Crocodile. He ain't gonna come chase me. That's a bummer. Did I? I don't know if I marked it. It's fine. Let's just get going. Look out, little Roo. And as you can see now, we are almost home. And it'll be exciting because tomorrow, construction on John's shop will start. Yay! So I'm probably going to put the pearls up here to sell. Our food is in this one, so I just hit this auto stack and it just takes everything in there. Oh yeah, I was gonna... There we go. And let's smelt some more copper ore, because then maybe we can make a copper axe. I don't think we got any of that. Oh, the coconuts. We were gonna bury the coconuts. I have 57 of them. That is fabulous. So I'm actually going to put these, this is how I do it. You can do this one of two ways. Okay, you can take the coconut and you can drop it, which is. And then you can take your shovel and bury it. No, coconuts are... No. Not what I meant to say. Dropping things is the cue on the keyboard. But I like to do things this way. I just find it's a lot easier for me. And yes, I do. I like to bury some of them in the water and some of them up on top. It just gives a little bit different depth. And I just kind of like how it looks. Look at that. And you'll see as they grow in, it'll be different. Oh, I cannot talk today, guys. I really apologize. The different depths just give it a little different feel. And I really kind of like that. And it's almost the end, so let's get this going here. And I think we'll just kind of plant them around here. Because I think it would be kind of cool just to have this little pond. Just with coconuts all around it. And you use up some energy. Oh, did it get planted? No. Oh, see, now it's late. We're going to have to plant the rest of them tomorrow. I could keep going, but I got a bunch of them planted, so I am probably going to end the stream here. But you all take care. Have a great rest of your night or day or whatever. And I really do appreciate you. Oh, yeah, like, subscribe. I always forget to say that. Real quick, we'll just grab our points here so you can see how much we ended up with. But only if you feel like supporting me. Then, if you don't, then don't like or subscribe. But that's fine. I just want to say appreciate y'all. Love y'all. Take care. And I'll see you next time. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.